Cut the tape with a utility knife. Open the box. Take out the air column bag. User manual. Quick installation guide. Remove the foam blocks from the four corners. Grab the plastic bag on both sides and lift the printer out. Remove the plastic bag. Remove the tape. Peel off the protective film from the printer. Cut the zip ties. Take out the toolbox. Remove the top glass door. Cut the zip tie on the printhead. Remove the cardboard from the printhead. Remove the plastic bag from the PI board and reinstall it. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws with yellow arrows on both sides of the heated bed. Lift the printer. Pull the belt underneath to raise the heated bed. Remove the foam under the heated bed. Remove the zip tie. Pull out the display ribbon cable. Make sure the SD card slot is facing right. Align the ribbon cable with the screen connector. Use both index fingers to press the cable in evenly. Insert the screen into the printer slot and push it left to secure. Peel off the protective film on the screen. The spool holder can be installed on the side or back of the printer. Use two M3x8 screws to secure the spool holder. When printing with PLA, can open it for ventilation. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the printer. Select your preferred language. Connect to Wi-Fi. Tap Start to begin automatic self-test. Wait for the printer to complete bed leveling. Wait for the printer to complete vibration compensation. Finally, tap Start Using to begin using the printer.